This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only.
Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I talk about all things about technology. Today I am going to show you how to hack MetaTrader 4 demo robots into real account. Most of people ask, is it possible to do that? Yeah, it's possible, and I already do this method. If you want to know how to do that, stay until end of the video. It is very simple. Okay, let's start. First of all, we need two MetaTrader 4 accounts. One should MetaTrader 4 real account and the other one should be MetaTrader 4 demo account. So you need to download the MetaTrader 4 platform from two brokers, because we can't install the same MetaTrader 4 software from the same broker in one computer. I use IC Market Trading Brokers MetaTrader 4 platform for real account and Forex Brokers MetaTrader 4 platform for demo account. So I have opened both of demo and real accounts from the IC Market. You can use any broker you want. Now I have already logged into my demo account from IC Market and Forex for real account. On right side of the screen you can see real account. On left side you can see demo account. Okay, what we gonna do is transfer all MetaTrader 4 demo account trades into MetaTrader 4 real account. To do this we need to download a zip file. I will put the link in the description. I have already downloaded the zip file. You should unzip the file. Now here we have two EA files. One is local trade sender and the other one is local trade receiver. So you should copy the local trade receiver into MetaTrader 4 real account and copy the local trade sender into MetaTrader 4 demo account. What these two robots do is local trade sender EA send all the demo trades to local trade receiver, which we copied to the real account. Local trade receiver get all the trades that send from local trade sender and open real trades in real account. Okay, let's copy these two files into MetaTrader 4 accounts. First, copy the local trade receiver to real account. You can see here is the local receiver. Make sure turn algo trading is on. Open one chart. Drag and drop the local trade receiver into the chart. Go to input section. Select master lot size. Now go to the comment tab. Put tick to all check boxes. Click OK. OK, now copy the local trade sender into MetaTrader 4 demo account. Open your MetaTrader 4 demo account. Now you can see here is the local trade sender. I have already downloaded robot for demo account. You can use any demo robot. Now open two charts in MetaTrader 4 demo account. One chart for run the demo robot and other one for run the local trade sender. Drag and drop the local trade sender into a one chart. Go to the comment tab. Put ticks for all boxes. Click OK. Now drag and drop the demo robot into the other chart. Now you can see all the trades in MetaTrader 4 demo account have opened in MetaTrader 4 real account. If demo account robot move the stop loss. For live account also move the stop loss. If demo robot delete trades, live account also delete the trades. Now live account do the same what demo robot do. So guys, this is very simple to do than you think. If you do this, you don't need to buy any robots from the MetaTrader 4 market. If you have any questions, please ask in the comment section. I will help you. Let's meet within another important topic. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video.